Welcome to Demonstration 3. At some point in time, information in your organization will cross its digital boundaries, and you would still want it to be protected as it is inside the organization. Rights management is the answer to make this possible. In this demonstration, we will look at rights management in Office 365, the user's experience. Experience a user may have in producing information objects that are so protected, and consuming information objects that may have been protected in such manner by others. This is a part of series of demos where the first two demonstrate the use of data loss prevention in Office 365. For purpose of this demonstration, I will take the persona of a student who would like to share information with his co-students. Rights management feature is built right into his workspace, and he can choose to protect the information either in place or when shared using any method, for example emails or transportable media, etc. First, the student puts in the name of the co-students to whom he wants to share the information. Then he selects the type of permission that he wants to give: view only, view and edit, etc. These policies and methods are set by the institution after planning for what permissions are allowed to whom and deploying those policies. The student can choose to expire this permission for the documents. He can choose to get an intimation every time anybody accesses, or choose to revoke the document when he wishes so. Once he sends the document, it's off, and then he can use the rights management plugin to track the usage of that information. This is the summary view of the tracker that allows the users to track the viewing of his document. So this document was shared on 23rd Jan. It was set never to expire. However, it could have been set to a certain date. There were 20 views by the intended two users. There were interestingly 6 denials, so it did go to a wider circulation to people who were not included in the permission to view, and it was shared out a month back. Down here is the button where user can use to quickly put this information into CSV file and use as may be required, and also a convenient revoke access where if the user feels that circulation is getting too wide and would like to revoke the information, he can do so very quickly. Here is another interesting view map. This interesting view actually shows from where your document was accessed, and it's quite interesting. You probably intended the circulation to be local. However, it seems your document traveled as far as northeast, and 3 attempts were made from there to access your document. This is interesting feedback which you could use to actually shape the policy of where and how your circulation of your document should have been. Let's look at the experience of a user in consuming such document which has been protected by rights management on his Windows Phone device. So the user goes to mailbox, accesses the email in which that right protected document has been delivered, accesses the document, and is promptly informed by the right management service that he only has edit and view permission granted by the creator of this document. He does not have copy, print or full control on this device for that document. He accepts that, goes ahead and starts work on it. So we have seen in this demonstration how even when the information leaves the digital boundary of our institute, it can be protected the way we want it to be. This has become possible by embedding the security metadata with the document wherever it goes. The security metadata is created by the user when he creates the document, all the information, and is kept in the cloud. Take note, the data itself never travels to the RMS service in the cloud. Only the security metadata is kept there to enforce if the applications are aware the user's rights or who can access that information. I would like to thank you for viewing this demonstration.